stocks like BLUE, MARA, and ARWR. Let's go over these in sequence. BLUE first, we bought this one at market open. The stock rallied to $3.80 and we took profits at $3.79. You can see the live footage right here.
It's not a bad idea to buy in around $3.68.
Boom, BLUE, big win. But you know what's even better? ARWR, which we bought at approximately $33. Check out the live footage of us taking an entry on ARWR at $33.
ARWR, again, hit that first profit target at $34.39. This can go all the way up to $34.91.
And now take a look at this amazing chart. The chart went from $33 all the way up to $35.39. We're talking about a $2 per share rally. We bought the stock at the bottom and sold the stock at the top. ARWR was a huge win, and we called this stock out yesterday. Okay, it's in yesterday's video. And Discord members in the Discord, they got this live. Guys, if you like making money, you need to be subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, how can I help you make money? If you're not subscribed to the channel, how are you going to get the call outs? How are you going to get notified of the short squeezes? We already won 2 out of 2 trades, but that's not all. We also traded MARA live. What happened with MARA stock? Well, let's take a look at MARA chart. We bought MARA at market open on the dip to $9.70.
We'll look at MARA again. So MARA is consolidating around this level.
And then what happened? We got a rally all the way to $10.18. And what happened after that? Well, we sold some of our MARA stock and took profits, but the stock wasn't done. MARA said, nope, I'm gonna rally some more. So it went all the way from $9.80 all the way to $10.50. It went almost all the way up to $10.50. Crazy profits, insane call out. This stock went up more than 15% after we called it out. Guys, if you're not in the Discord already, click the link in the description so you don't miss out on future short squeezes. So if we won on BLUE, we won on MARA, and we won on ARWR, is that it? Is that all we can expect from the pro group? No. We actually got another win. In fact, this one was a whopper. Pro members were notified of a stock called INAB. Yesterday, we were buying the stock at approximately $2, where you see that little white area there. Me and the pro members were buying shares. You can see the proof right here. And what happened to INAB after we bought the stock at $2? Well, we got a short squeeze, people. The stock short squeezed 40% from $2 all the way up to almost $2.80. We took profit at $2.42, made some serious cash while we slept, and then took that money and ran. Guys, that's what you need to do, is get in the habit of taking money and then running with it. You don't need to overstay your welcome in the stock market, because I guarantee you the stock market will come back down at some point. So these 4 winning trades, including 1 short squeeze, are exactly why our pro members love it in our Discord, and why you need to DM me right away if you're serious about making money in the stock market. We help you make money in the stock market. If that is your goal, then you need to join our Discord by sending me a direct message and asking about a pro free trial, which I'm actually giving out only to the first 5 members who DM me. Originally, I had 10 spots for the trial, but now there's only 5 spots for the pro free trial left on the Discord. So DM me to find out about how to join the pro free trial and start making money with our group right away. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?